Here's a delicious and mild salsa roja recipe that you can try. Salsa roja is a classic Mexican red salsa that's full of flavor and can be enjoyed with a variety of dishes. Ingredients: 1. 4 medium tomatoes. 2. 3 dried guajillo chilies, stems and seeds removed. 3. 1/2 medium onion, roughly chopped. 4. 3 cloves of garlic, peeled. 5. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 6. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 7. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 8. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 9. 1 teaspoon salt, or to taste. 10. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 11. 1 teaspoon sugar, optional, to balance acidity. 12. 1 tablespoon lime juice, about 1 lime. 13. Water, as needed. Instructions. Prepare the chilies. 1. Heat a dry skillet or pan over medium heat. 2. Place the dried guajillo chilies in the skillet and toast them for about 1-2 minutes on each side until they become slightly pliable and aromatic. 2. Be careful not to burn them. 3. Remove the toasted chilies from the heat and place them in a bowl of hot water to soak. 3. Allow them to soak for about 15-20 minutes until they soften. Prepare the tomatoes. 1. While the chilies are soaking, bring a pot of water to a boil. 2. Carefully drop the tomatoes into the boiling water and cook them for about 5 minutes. 2. This will help loosen the skins and make them easier to peel. 3. Use a slotted spoon to remove the tomatoes from the boiling water and transfer them to a bowl of cold water to cool down. 4. Once the tomatoes are cool enough to handle, peel off the skin. 4. The skin should easily peel away from the flesh. Blend the salsa. 1. In a blender or food processor, combine the softened guajillo chilies, discard the soaking water, peeled tomatoes, roughly chopped onion, peeled garlic cloves, chopped cilantro, vegetable oil, dried oregano, ground cumin, salt, black pepper, sugar, if using, and lime juice. 2. Blend the mixture on high speed until everything is well combined and you have a smooth consistency. 2. If the mixture is too thick and has trouble blending, you can add a small amount of water, start with 1/4 cup, to help the blending process. Adjust seasonings. 1. Taste the salsa and assess the flavors. 1. Adjust the seasonings to your preference. 1. You can add more salt, lime juice, or sugar to achieve the desired balance of flavors. Cook the salsa. 1. Pour the blended salsa into a saucepan and place it over medium-low heat. 2. Allow the salsa to come to a gentle simmer. 2. This will help meld the flavors and thicken the salsa slightly. 3. Let the salsa simmer for about 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Cool and store. 1. Once the salsa has cooked, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. 2. Transfer the salsa to a clean glass jar or airtight container. Enjoy. 1. Your mild salsa roja is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it with a variety of dishes such as tacos, burritos, quesadillas, grilled meats, or simply enjoy it with tortilla chips. Storage. 1. Store any leftover salsa in the refrigerator. 1. It should stay fresh for about a week. By following these detailed steps, you'll be able to create a flavorful and mild salsa roja that's perfect for your taste preferences. Enjoy your homemade salsa with your favorite Mexican dishes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.